Welcome to KoinKoin, the easiest way to buy, sell, and trade crypto. With KoinKoin, you can start trading in minutes. Simply sign up, verify your account, and start buying and selling crypto. To sign up for KoinKoin, simply click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the Create Account button. You will then receive an email to verify your account. Once your account has been verified, you can log in and start using KoinKoin. You will then be taken to your dashboard, where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and more. To start buying and selling crypto, you will need to complete KYC. To do this, simply click on the Verification tab in the Settings menu. Verify your phone number by entering your number to get your OTP. Once verified, click on the Identity tab to start the process. Start by choosing the document type you want to submit for verification. Capture a high-quality picture of your documents. Take a selfie when ready. Lastly, upload a proof of address document. The verification usually takes 20 minutes to be completed. To get started, simply click here to create your wallet. Choose the desired wallet and click Generate. You can then share the wallet QR code, copy the address, or share it from here. You can always select the wallet you like to receive crypto on from this tab. To send crypto, click here and select the wallet you like to send from. Enter the destination address here and click Next. Choose the amount you want to send and click Done. To buy or sell crypto, click here. Choose the preferred payment option. Select Deposit and Buy, or Sell and Withdraw. Enter the amount here and click Done. You can review your transaction history from this tab here. Visit the Markets tab to view the latest updates to the crypto market. You can also use our troll box to chat with other KoinKoin users. If you like to change your password, please click on your Profile tab, then click on the Security option, where you can change your password and enable our two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. That's it. KoinKoin is the easiest way to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Sign up today and start trading.